Susan, how did you go at the Bloons painting workshop on the Sunshine Coast?
I went really well, better than what I thought.
So you told me that you've been hiding out for a bit. You bought a course off me a few years back, but you didn't actually do it yet?
No, I was like a deer in headlights. I started to do the outline and then I didn't know what to do next.
Okay,
And I knew I
just
had
terrified to make a start.
Yeah.
And I think that's the nice thing about coming to a workshop, that you have all that support. You're in a time and place where this is what we're here to do. And you got it done, you busted through.
Yes, I did.
And I saw that you learned and you changed your paintings yourself. I mean, awesome job. I just love them. And well done.
Thank you very much. And you're just so generous with your time. And it
My
really
pleasure.
face to face was, it was wonderful. It was wonderful. And hopefully the start of good things to come.
Yeah, I think definitely. Look, this is just gorgeous. The colours are great, and you really tackled it with so much gusto, and you were great at putting paint on. Sometimes I have a hard time getting my students to pick up the paint and put it on. But you really threw the paint on. I love that. So, you're off to a cracking start, girl.
Thank you very much.
Pleasure.